Alright, supposedly this pressure washer gun is stuck and doesn't want to turn off. So we're going to take it apart and see what's going on. Pull out the dirt. Security toolkit you get from Harbor Freight. Alright, let's find the right size. First try. Pry it open. Let's see what the issue is. Oh, so this is what it looks like on the inside. Super simple. Really. Alrighty. What is this? Oh, that's not important. Alrighty. So what's going on? I'm assuming this pin isn't pushing out no more. Yeah, it's getting stuck. So we gotta figure out why that is. And I'm not even sure if I know. But let's take this off. Never know how many you need. Let's take the medium one. That wasn't too bad. You guys see that? That is a busted up O-ring stuck in there. That is pretty wild. And that's blocking the ball that's pushing out the spring or the pin. So let's pry that out. Sheesh. Thing's stuck in there. Boom. There we go. Now the spring's pushed back out. Let's check the inside. Let's check this. Yep, that was the issue. So let's put this in nice and neat. Carefully place it back in. Twist it. Let's tighten it up. Check it out. Good to go. Now, look at this. That's crazy. But now I'm curious where this came from. Because this doesn't look normal. I think it went somewhere. Let's take it back out. That O-ring was meant for something. What was that O-ring for? You think it was on top of this? Like that? So that it would not leak out there? That is the question. First, I'm gonna grab another gun and test if that's exactly what the issue was, or if this O-ring belongs in there or not. So let's separate this. If we don't mix the two guns pieces, the handle, put this away. Alrighty. So now that's organized. Let's take this apart. Ironically, this has a smaller star to it, which is weird. I'm gonna get a drill. This is gonna be much easier or much faster. Turn to level 1 in the weakest setting so you do not strip it. And make sure you put the screw if you have the option, not drill. Do not want to strip these. Keep it organized. So this is pretty simple. This stays in there, so I remember how it goes. All right, let's take out this one and see what the results are and where that O-ring came from. All right, this one's a little harder. Screw it, nice and easy. And make sure it's intact actually. So put it upside down so I can see the ball or O-ring that's supposed to be in there or not. I think there's supposed to be an O-ring in there. I don't know. Let me check the other one. Nope, no O-ring. It looks like it's supposed to be like this. No O-ring, no nothing. So I can't really say where this thing came from. So make sure everything's intact, everything's the same. All right, let's put it back now. Twist it up. The ball doesn't fall out. Just tighten it. Don't make it too tight because I just have the issue of taking it apart. There you go. Now let's bring it back together. This is the first one, or the second one that we had. So make sure it goes. There's a metal thing that pushes that pin. So make sure that's lined up. Looks good. The other side. I don't know where this goes. Where this red thing come from? Because now there's two of them, so it definitely came from here. Go here. I don't know. Let's see what's necessary. I had to pause the video real quick and go through my video. This goes here. Don't know why that's there, but luckily I went back and I was recording this, or I would have been screwed. Don't know what the point of that is. Okay. There you go. That's what it's for. No. Oh, it's a stopper, so it doesn't hit the back too hard. Now we know, guys. Now we know. Cool. All right. Let's put the other one back together. Put that on top. I wonder how long the O-ring's been in there because it was so small. Maybe it was stretched out for so long. There's no reason for that to be in there. All right, tighten this bad boy. I kind of stripped it, loosening it up the second time. So this is brass, so it's not very strong. This is why I don't want to tighten it too much. So next time I have to loosen it back up again. It's not too tight. So I learned my lesson there. So just boom. All right, take the cover back, line it up, get your handle. Make sure that metal piece is in there. We have the orange or red little stopper. Carefully put that back on. Works perfect. We're good to go. Let's go ahead and connect it to the pressure washer. See how it works.